For the electric car drivers, Kansas State University has recently installed vehicle charging stations on campus. This is part of their commitment to renewable energy.
More and more people are buying electric cars, so K-State has started to install charging stations in their parking lots.
Max Fulbright, a student at Kansas State, thinks the charging stations can be beneficial for the community.
It's a great idea that K-State is putting in all these electric car charging stations in all the parking lots because I know that the cars are getting more and more popular across the world and across the nation, that kind of stuff.
The charging stations are located in the D1 parking lot, which is just west of Memorial Stadium. The stations can charge 100 miles of electric range in just a few hours.
It's important for the students that have these electric cars to know that they can get to the parking lots and not have to worry about finding a charging station somewhere off campus or anything like that. Just knowing that they can get around all across Manhattan and definitely get to their classes and other events.
In Manhattan, this is Bailey Matthews, Channel 8 News.